Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can secure a $50,000 of bad credit loan without a credit check and with a bad credit score. So yes guys, you heard me right. So let's get jump into this video. I'll be showing you how you can do that, what will be the documents, what will be the credit score you'll be required, and what kind of things you should know before you apply for this loan. So let's get started. So our today's lender is PenFed Credit Union Personal Loans. So as you might have heard about them, they are the lender which provides the federal credit loans to the members of armed forces, military associations, veterans, retirees, and their families. Although, if you are not connected or if you don't have any connection to a military member, then also you can become a member. It does not cause a problem. Also, the credit union offers personal loans for eligible members and eligible co-borrowers in all 50 states as well as Guam, Puerto Rico, and Okinawa, Japan. So it's an established company. It is established under 1935 and it has been rated A plus according to BBB rating. So the customer service rating is also excellent. So you don't have to worry about the lender or you don't have to worry about the customer experience. The let's talk about the important thing over here, and that is how much amount you can borrow from these PenFed Credit Union. So the loan amount you can get from this PenFed Credit Union is up to $50,000 and the minimum is from $600 to $50,000. So you can get this amount up to loan terms of up to 5 years, which equals to 60 months. Also, what kind of APR you can get with this loan? So let's talk about the APR. So the APR is kind of range from 7.74% to 17.99, which is according to me is currently low in this field because other lenders do charge up to 30% of APR. So that's kind of scary. But if you if you qualify for this loan, then consider yourself lucky and get the loan amount as quick as possible, because these are the fixed rate loans or the fixed rate APRs that do not change within the year or that do not change over the period of your loan amount. So once you are if you are qualified for 8% of APR, then that will be the 8% of APR within the rest period of your loan amount. Okay, so what kind of credit score you will be needed in order to get this loan? So the credit score you need is approximately 600 to 650. They do not have disclosed the credit score yet, but according to our research, it has been found that members who have or the peoples who have a 600 to 650 credit score have been qualified for the PenFed Credit Union personal loans. So let's talk about the best features and what are the drawbacks of this PenFed Credit Union. So you can get a loan term period up to 60 months, which is excellent, as many lender out there do not provide. They do only provide up to 3 years of period to repay the loan. Also, they do not charge you any kind of origination fees, which is also a great thing, because some other personal loans, as you may have been looked, they do charge origination fees up to $100. Okay, and borrowers can get funds within 1 or 2 days in their bank account. Okay, so once you have been approved by PenFed Credit Union, your amount will be credited to your bank account within 1 or 2 days. So that will be the great if you are in need of money or if you are in urgency, then also you can look forward to PenFed Credit Union. So what are the drawbacks, or what are the disadvantage of this loan? So the membership to the credit union is required. So even if you are not related to the military, you can become the member, but membership is required in order to get the loan. Also, qualification requirements are disclosed, so it is not possible to say whether you qualified or not, whether you can qualify or not. Because they do not only check you based on your credit score, they do check your credit history, your credit worthiness, your other factors, that based on them they will approve your application for their personal loan. Okay, so what kind of other options you have? So there are other options, like you can go for SoFi personal loans, you can go for Upstart personal loans. If you haven't seen their reviews, uh, on our channel we have provided their reviews, so you can also check them out. Okay, and what kind of loan terms and fees and conditions are there with this kind of loan? So loans carry a fixed interest rate as low as 4.99% annual percentage rate, with an individual rates determined by the loan amount and the borrower's creditworthiness. So there is no application or origination fees for a personal loan from PenFed, and there is no prepayment penalty. This is also the best thing. If you are if you have completed your need, or you don't need, or you want to pay the loan amount before the tenure, then also you can prepaid the amount and there will be no prepayment penalty. So that would be also the great thing about PenFed Credit Union. That's why these are the loans that you should go and look for, because these are the loans that can really helpful, because they do not charge you, the first thing, they do not charge you the high APR. Second, they do not charge you any kind of fees like prepayment penalty or the origination fees. And third, they are the best, or they do provide the best service out there. Also, your credit score will be checked, and it will be a soft credit check, so therefore there will be no credit check, so it will not affect your credit score later, so you can rest assured. So let's check it out how you can apply for this PenFed Credit Union. So after you come to this PenFed organization or penfed.org website, you will be see a window like this. You have to click on this accept now button. As you can see here, you can you can see their homepage. So yeah, as you can see, check your rate and redeem your offer. The money you don't need, the money you need, the hassle you don't. So rates as low as 8% of APR, and check your rate without affecting your credit score. So as I said, they do provide or they do pull a soft credit check on your credit scores, which does not affect your credit score. So loan terms up to 60 months and loan up to $50,000, no early payoff penalty, no origination fees, and no hidden fees, no kind of hidden fees. So check your rate without affecting your credit score. Select your multiple pre-approved offer and receive money within 1 or 2 business days after verification. So that is the process. This is the simple process you gonna get when you apply for PenFed Credit Union. So how much I can apply for? So here are some little FAQs. You can just go and read them there. Also, let's talk about, or let's check it out, check your rate. So let's see how you can fill the form. So money when you need it, so you can already a member, not a member, so you can check your rate. You have to click on check your rate option over here, and it will lead to your a form which will you have to fill the information of what are what kind of information you have, what kind of things, what kind of income do you have, what kind of document you have to provide, what kind of where do you live, and all these kind of information that all the lenders, all the personal loan lenders require. That this is the form you have to fill, and then you have to complete this application process. Then based on this information, they will approve or they will check your application form. Based on that, they will decide whether you should be approved or not, and after that you will be presented with an offer, and which will decide whether you get a loan or what. Then you have to decide whether to take it or not, and you have to check the conditions. Please check the conditions, please check the APR twice, because it can be like it can, if high, if they have charged you an high APR, then it will not be worth to take loan from PenFed.com, PenFed.org, because there are other lender out there who can give you the lowest APR also. So please make sure to check other lenders also. So for that you can check out our other videos. So I hope you find this information helpful. I hope you find it helpful over there. And please make sure to subscribe to our channel Loan Help. Here in this channel we talk about personal loans, payday loans, and student loans daily. So please make sure to subscribe to our channel, because who knows when you need the loan. So for that you have to, or you may want to subscribe to our channel, because when you need it, we'll be there. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned to the channel.